In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Namecheap domain to Netlify. We'll be linking a domain you already own in Namecheap to a site that's already deployed on Netlify, and the process is pretty straightforward once you know where each setting lives. To begin, log into your Netlify account. After that, open the dashboard for the site you want to connect to your custom domain. Make sure you choose the correct deployed project, especially if you manage more than one site, because the domain settings are handled individually for each project. Once you're inside the site dashboard, click on Project Configuration. This is where Netlify keeps the core settings for your website. From there, go to Domain Management. This section is where you can add, verify, and manage any custom domains attached to the site. Next, click Add a Domain. When the options appear, choose Add a Domain you already own. This tells Netlify that you're not buying a new domain through them, but instead connecting one that's registered elsewhere, in this case through Namecheap. Now type in your domain name carefully, then click Verify. Netlify will check that the domain format is valid and prepare it for connection. After the domain has been verified, find the Options drop-down next to the domain name and open it. From that menu, select Set up Netlify DNS. Continue through the prompts until you reach the screen that shows the 4 Netlify name servers. This is the key information you'll need because these name servers are what tell your domain to use Netlify for DNS management. It's a good idea here to keep this page open or copy the name servers somewhere temporary so you can enter them accurately in the next step. Next, log into your Namecheap account. Go to the domain management area for the domain you're connecting and update the name servers there using the 4 name servers provided by Netlify. Be careful to replace the existing name servers completely if needed, and make sure there are no typos, since even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working properly. After you save the changes in Namecheap, the update may not happen instantly. DNS changes often take a little time to propagate, so if the domain doesn't connect right away, that's normal. Netlify and Namecheap just need time to recognize the new settings. And that's it. Once the name server update finishes propagating, your Namecheap domain will be connected to Netlify and ready to use with your deployed site.